aren't you freezing? He's like, no.
No, I feel great.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold back here.
Well, the air conditioning vent is right up there, so it would stand to reason that this would be a very cold part for you to be standing in. All right,
I'm in.
We will make this a quick 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Perfect.
Hey, this is a set of ice cream cups made of stoneware. This is Tara Tesher, the CEO, chief designer, and president of Temp-tations. And what we're excited about, each one is 15 ounces.
Yes.
They come in little pedestal cups.
Yep.
I'm having some ice cream too, and I'm all frozen up. And these are fantastic because you can either use them as beverage containers, ice cream containers.
Absolutely.
You've also cooked some savories in here.
We did, because it's still the same great stoneware that you've been collecting from Temp-tations for over 21 years. As we've shared, I don't know, 25 million sets with all of you. This is that iconic silhouette that you would always get in glass. Did you ever go to like the diners when you were younger?
Sure.
And these would be like the soda glasses or the ice cream cups. They're fantastic.
Soda float.
Exactly. So the fact that you're getting 4 of these, we've never done anything like them. We did them for this season, and they've just been incredible. And they're super fun, and so many great things that you can do with them.
We are super excited to be able to bring you a set of 4 of these in your choice of colors and patterns. Shall we go through those?
I would love to.
All right, let me hop over here.
Okay.
And tell you we have the set of 4 in the blue Old World. We also have the set of 4 in the green, and we only have one out here just to show you color, but you get 4 in whatever you order. This is Woodland Buttercream, and this is White Woodland.
Oh, hello. Look at these. Love. Beautiful.
All right, now, down below is floral lace. This is gray floral lace, black floral lace, and remember, these are all solid on the inside and perfect. There's your black floral lace. This is cranberry. Here's the red, and what will be the most popular? The blue. That rich cobalt blue. Now, down below, red doodle-doo. A symbol of good luck in your kitchen is a rooster, and here is your red doodle, black doodle-doo,
Love.
and patriotic.
I am loving these.
And if you want to get a couple of sets while they're on clearance, save the extra money. But once they're gone, Miss Tara,
that's right.
They're being retired.
That's right. This was one of those that we brought in for the season, and I love the fact that we've never done anything like these. So if you want to layer these in with your dinnerware, with the drinkware that you already have, of course you can use these for some of those summertime drinks, which I love because remember, stoneware is going to help keep things colder longer. So these will be great. Float a little ice cubes in here, and that'll stay nice and cold. But then, of course, I love them like you were saying, root beer floats, chocolate, frosty, things that we love to eat that we want to keep nice and frozen. That'll be perfect. And then how about in the morning, a little yogurt parfait? Like these don't just have to be ice cream cups. Smoothies, love, great idea. Yep, perfect. And look at how great these are. Because they're 15 ounces, they have that beautiful pedestal there on the bottom. And again, all that individual hand-painted stoneware, some savory ideas we were talking about. How fun to have that elevated look of kind of that leftover maybe pasta from the night before with your meatballs. And then also, I love the idea of using these as little mini vases. You could flip them over, you can use it with a candle. And so now you've kind of had that centertaining that we're always talking about right there with, of course, just 2 of the glasses that you have there. So many different ideas and so many different ways that you can use them, and all of our great colors and great patterns.
All right, so here is blue Old World. We're now last call in green Old World with 12 or 24 sets left. This is confetti. You didn't see that before. And going quickly and stuffed with breakfast.
I love that.
Delicious.
Little tots.
You could also do Bloody Marys in here.
You could. Mimosas. 15 ounces of a mimosa. A mimosa.
Yeah. This is buttercream woodland. Here's white woodland. We're last call with how many?
Wow.
Fewer than 200. Now, floral lace gray, floral lace black, floral lace in the cranberry, floral lace in the red, and floral lace in the blue. And then down below, red doodle-doo.
They're so sweet.
Black doodle-doo. And my favorite, the patriotic. And we're last call in patriotic with fewer than 100 to go around there. These are going very quickly. 1,000 ordered in this show. You know what my favorite sundae was when I was eating a lot of sundaes?
What?
A tin roof sundae.
What is that?
Lots of vanilla ice cream.
Okay.
Salty peanuts. Topped with chocolate sauce.
Sounds terrible.
Oh, it was so good. If you go to some ice cream shops and ask for a tin roof sundae, they'll serve you a tin roof. Oh,
this is not a tin roof, but we paired it with some Cheryl's cookies, and I thought that was super cute. Well, that's my favorite, always. Salty and sweet.
So good.
It's just kind of like our personalities. We'll let you decide who's
Sweet
salty.
and salty. No? Okay.
Could be. Look at what we did here too. It's just having some fun with some salads, right? So it's different things that you can do, whether it's breakfast and you're doing this. I love that elevated presentation of it. Or again, you can put this, of course, in a bowl, but I love putting this by everybody's seat, and that's their salad when they're ready to eat. Love
if you
that.
do a bloody in here, then do a stirring stick that has
a cheeseburger on it.
Oh, that.
Have you seen those?
Which
chicken
are
wings?
delightful. You could also thread candied bacon.
Ooh.
Or a hot piece of bacon.
Yes, I love that.
And slide it in there, or maybe
Genius.
put it in on the skewer with Kalamata olives.
Okay.
Really nice.
I'm in.
Lots of different
Some
ways to work
onions.
it.
Love.
Really
love,
nice.
love, love. But then at the heart of it, of course, ice cream. So I love the idea of making this a tradition. Maybe it's with your grandchildren. Maybe it's every year you look forward to doing that. You get the ice cream cups out. This could be for popcorn. It's your Germac. It's for snacks. All those great different things that you can do with it.
So we have blue Old World. Green just sold out. If you want confetti, I have 400 remaining. Buttercream in the Woodland. Final 300, then the White Woodland. 4 dozen left. Floral Lace Gray. Here's black. Here's cranberry, the red, and the always popular blue. Down below is Doodle-Doo in the red, Doodle-Doo in the black, and I have 12 left in Patriotic.
They're great.
12 sets of 4. If you want to get more than one set, I would do that quickly, and you'll be all set ready to go. Tara Tesher, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for that ice cream.
Welcome home, Angel.
Yes, I'm happy to be here.
Nice to see you. What was that? Oh, we're checking in with Steve? All right, let's check in with Steve, who's going to remind you about some goodies in our show.
Oh, you betcha. You now